So here we are at a friend's garage in Chesham. There we are, Bodytech. I've come today to use this hydrogen engine clean on my smart Brabus 4.2 exclusive. In under an hour's time, I'm going to see the difference with performance. It's actually running its course now. Here we are, a little bit more about the hydrogen engine carbon cleaning, as you can see. As I said, it's running its course now. This is the actual hydrogen carbon cleaning machine. What I can say is, it's a lot of money. Over here, CO2 emissions reader. And as also you can see, this is one badass custom hot rod garage. And over this side here, on that screen there, it just tells you exactly what is going on with your car right now. It talks you through the hydrogen cleaning process, which I've got to say is very impressive. So yeah, in under an hour's time, I'm gonna test it and we're gonna see the performance. There you go.